interesting one on Arts Lounge on page 34. Easy lay. I lost count of all the men I slept with. Video vixen Mary Wanjiku has compiled a long list of shame featuring top businessmen who preferred to have unprotected sex with her for 10,000 shillings. She shares her story with Kate UK. Yes, silence.
Remember how we said the alleged Vera has standards?
Yes.
This is what we meant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, how so?
10,000 shillings.
Really?
Oh my God. I don't know what to say.
So what number would we be putting?
No number.
What amount?
You know that Tammy Chin song which
But
says
you just
I'm
said,
not for sale,
but
I'm
you
not
just
for free.
said for Vera.
No, but that honestly, you know, for Vera, number one, allegedly Vera, she had boundaries. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, okay, so for unprotected sex, you're going to be paid 10,000 shillings. God knows what you're going to get, how much it's going to cost you financially, emotionally, physically.
Life.
Yes. And so how much for protected? I don't know.
Yeah, it's a Saturday.
Top businessmen, and that's all they're paying? I'm sorry, I have problems.
Yes.
It's
How
ironic.
top are you?
How top is that?
Yeah, you're gonna buy a bottle of wine for more than that to get her drunk enough to agree.
I know yesterday somebody was talking to me about just think about, well, for her it's I guess a different story, but think about some of the people living in slums, and we see a lot of this happening there especially, where you'll hear that, you know, when you can have sex unprotected, then the price goes higher. And there are many women who, in those very desperate situations, I'm not saying it's right or wrong, I'm just saying that then they're thinking, my meal depends on this particular situation. I mean, this I guess is at just whole different level. But the whole aspect of without, even this man who's getting himself in that situation, what is he also getting? Maybe he may already have whatever, but
It's just a sad situation. For me, I just think really, it's annoying.
then we have such an interview. This is incredible stuff. Like, how is that happening in Kenya today?
No.
Confessions of Video
And then she's
Vixen.
dancing. She's a dancer. She's really?
I've never
She's a
seen
Sarakasi
her.
dancer. Her face looks a bit familiar
Yeah.
in the the mohawk
half face we're
thingy.
seeing.
But I don't know. So this is a thing that happens.
And she stopped it. Is it something?
It's always top businessmen, politicians.
We must go. Our time is up. What